lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. How are you all guys doing? On today's video, I'll be showing you all a super effective recipe. This amazing recipe will help stimulate, enhance and increase the size of your backside. To prepare this amazing recipe, I'll be using some nice, natural and very effective ingredients without side effects, okay? The first thing you'll be needing for this recipe is a clean bowl. So right here with me, I've got a clean, sterilized bowl. My first ingredient listing for this recipe is my Vaseline. I'll be using Vaseline for this recipe. Make sure to get the pure petroleum jelly Vaseline, okay? This is so effective while trying to achieve a more bigger, enlarge and increase the backside. While trying to achieve a more peculiar backside, this is an essential ingredient, okay? And my next ingredient listing for this recipe is my virgin olive oil extract. Now, make sure to use virgin olive oil extract for this recipe. If you are looking to increase the backside, if you're trying to increase, stimulate and enhance the backside, make sure to always use virgin olive oil extract, okay? Virgin olive oil extract will help to enhance, stimulate the tissues around that area. It will help to increase the size. It will help to lift sagging skins. And for results, you're going to achieve a more round and peculiar results. This is a win for this recipe. Make sure to add the virgin olive oil extract for your recipes, okay? My next ingredient listing for this recipe is my fenugreek oil extract. Using the fenugreek oil extract is ideal. This will help to stimulate the tissues around that area. If you're looking to lift up sagging skins, if you're looking to increase the size at the backside, and of course it will help firm sagging skins. This is an essential ingredient for this recipe. Now, make sure to get fenugreek oil extract. It is more effective and is extremely potent when you use oils extracts, okay? Make sure to use oil extracts for your recipe. Cod liver oil is also known as fish oil. This is an essential ingredient for this recipe. Now, while trying to enhance and increase the backside, the hips, the front side, sometimes you're going to experience stretch marks, okay? This is where the cod liver oil comes in. This is an essential ingredient that will help get rid and prevent stretch marks. And make sure to add the cod liver oil to this recipe, or you can substitute this with vitamin E oil. If you haven't gotten the cod liver oil, also known as fish oil, go ahead and substitute this with vitamin E oil, but make sure to add these oils to this recipe, for it's extremely essential and it is so crucial, okay? So yeah, lovelies, these are the amazing ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Combining these amazing, natural and effective ingredients together actually complements it. These ingredients are super effective. They are natural without side effects. They works magic. You're going to be shocked with the results you're going to get from this. Let's move on to the preparation of this recipe without no further ado. The first thing you want to do before proceeding with recipes, always make sure to be hand hygiene. I kind of love to always emphasize on being hand hygiene. So the first thing I want to do is to get my pure petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline. I'll be using just 1 scoop of this, like this. So in case you want to make in a very large quantity, you simply go ahead and increase the amount of your ingredients. This recipe works magic. Just follow the steps I'm going to show you guys on this video, okay? Follow the steps for best and permanent results. So I'm going to transfer this to after putting in my Vaseline. So next is to add my virgin olive oil extract. Before using, you want to give this a good shake, okay? After adding your pure virgin olive oil extracts, you go ahead and mix this together. I will go ahead and mix this together so as to have a more runny consistency. Okay, this is how my consistency is after thoroughly mixing together. This is what it looks like. Like I said, if you want to make this in a very large quantity, you simply go ahead and increase the amount of your ingredients. Okay, so this is what it looks like after properly beating and mixing your Vaseline and your olive oil extracts. The next thing you want to do next is to add my fenugreek oil extract to my bowl. Now, you want to take precaution of the amount of your fenugreek oil you'll be adding to your recipe. Please don't do too much and don't go overboard, okay? I'll be adding 8 drops of my fenugreek oil extract into my mixture, okay? So before you do, you want to give this a good shake like so. And as I said, 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is ideal. After adding your 8 drops of your fenugreek oil extracts, go ahead and give this a good mix. So this is what it looks like after mixing thoroughly. And this is the consistency we're going for, a liquid runny consistency like this. Okay, and lastly is to add our cod liver oil to it. Now, like I said, you can substitute this with a vitamin E oil, okay? But please make sure to add any of these oils to your recipe, for it is extremely essential and beneficial. This will help to fight against stretch marks and it will help prevent stretch marks, okay? So I'll go ahead and add my cod liver oil to my mixture. After adding your cod liver oil, also known as fish oil, simply go ahead and mix everything up together like this. Okay, this is what it looks like after mixing this. Now, after mixing everything together, before applying this to the directed area, the first thing you want to do is to set this aside. Set it aside for about 12 to 24 hours before applying it, before using. So that way all the ingredients can ferment, okay? Now, the longer you set this aside, the more better, stronger, and best results you're gonna get from this. Set this aside in a room temperature, okay? Don't put this in the fridge. Putting it in the fridge is gonna solidify it, okay? After 24 hours, before applying this to the directed area, the first thing you wanna do is to go ahead and get a good warm shower. Having your shower before applying this to the directed area will help open your pores, so that way this mixture can really penetrate deep to your pores and to your skin for best, fast and permanent results. Make sure to always take your shower before applying this to the directed area. Either you are applying this at the back side or at the front side, always make sure to take a warm shower. This is extremely effective. It's going to perform wonders. The amazing benefits of this recipe is super alkaline. It will help to lift that area. It will help to stimulate and enhance the tissues around that area. It will help to increase the size. It will help to give you this round hourglass look. And for results, you're going to have a more peculiar results. Follow these steps just as I've said on this video for best results. And please, for best visible and permanent results, make sure you don't omit any of these ingredients, okay? So right about now, I'm going to make a simple illustration on how to apply this to the directed area. So after taking your warm shower, you apply this to the directed area. You just want to be particular with it, okay? Apply this topically around that area. And please make sure to massage this around that area in a circular motion. Be particular. Apply this topically in a circular motion and apply this upward, okay? Don't do it like this, no. Make sure to apply it from the down part upward, okay? And in a very intense way. Applying and massaging it at the same time around the down parts, around the hips. You just have to be consistent with this recipe. You're going to see visible results within the space of 14 to 20 days max. You just want to be consistent and persistent, okay? This amazing recipe will help you a lot. It is extremely effective. It's super natural without side effects. You can choose to apply this recipe at your own preference and based on your daily schedule, okay? But I will advise you do this at night so that way you can go straight to bed and have a good rest. Go give this a go up on this amazing recipe and trust me, you're so gonna be loving this. And remember, results vary from persons to persons, for it is no magic, okay? For the remaining, should in case you make this in a very large quantity, go ahead and store this in a room temperature. Don't put this in the fridge. Putting this in the fridge will not kill the potency of this recipe, no. It won't kill the effectiveness of this recipe. It will solidify this recipe, and each time you want to use, you have to melt this, have to turn it into a liquid running consistency. So yeah, lovelies, this is all for this video. I hope you guys find this video really interesting, helpful and useful. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, turn on that bell button so that way you don't miss out any of my uploads, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks to my old and returning subscribers. You guys are amazing. If you have any further questions, please feel free to drop them right in my comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and I will be more than willing to respond to your questions. I'm sure hope to see you all on my next one. Until then, guys, stay cute, stay beautiful, peace and love, and be safe. Bye bye.